Hey, it's James Nicholson, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a YouTube video. Now, quickly, why would you want to do that? Well, actually, it's a great way to get lots of your subscribers on your channel aware of content that you produce. Also, it's good to batch your work. So maybe you produce content and you want content to go out on set days, Tuesdays, Thursdays, whatever it is that your schedule is. It allows you to be more efficient running your channel. Now, we've got some scheduled content here. And so what happens is, if you look at this video, how to pivot in business, this video here is scheduled to go out on the 26th of March at 5 o'clock. Now, people can set reminders, which I've got for this one, right? And so your subscribers might browse through your scheduled content and set a reminder, thus pinging them on their phone or their desktop, letting them know when the video goes live, bringing you some views and an audience. So that's a great thing and a benefit of doing that. Another reason, as I said, is it just makes you more efficient. So I've got the content that's going out this week up until tomorrow. That's all sitting in there ready to go. So these 4 videos, one will go tonight, 3 of them will go tomorrow, and I don't have to worry about it. It's set and forget. So let's see how we do this. Let's go through this process. And if you're enjoying this video, look, do me a favor. The point of YouTube is to get more views on your content, and you need engagement. So please smash the like button on this video and give me a hand while you're watching this and learning some stuff. It will make it go blue, and that'll be a good thing to do. So do that now while you're watching this. So look, you go to the upload that was up there, and then it will come to this page here, uploading the video. And so we're going to drag one of my videos here. This is a great video, actually. You want to check this one out. This will be this one here will be in my YouTube playlist, so go and check this one out. So you're going to fill in all these details, your description and stuff like that, the thumbnail. I'm not going to teach you all of that now. We're going to put it into a YouTube playlist, so this is where you're going to find this if you want to go and check it out. This one's not for kids because it's a business video. And then I'll tick next. Video elements I'm going to leave for now. You can go back and check all of this. So this is where you're going to schedule the video, right? So you fill in the first details, is the name and description and all of that wonderful stuff. Then go through these ones, check all the ones that you want there, and then look, you can put the video private, which means only you can see it, unlisted, which means if people get the link to it, they can see it, public means everyone can see it, and you can do something here called schedule, right? So this is what we're doing. So if I wanted it to go out, we're in 2021 at the time, if I want it to go on Saturday at 11 o'clock, let's scroll down here. There we go, 11 a.m., right? And it will go on to my default time zone for me, which is GMT London, right? And I can just have it scheduled there. And another thing I can do is set it as a premiere, and that's where people can set the reminders and stuff like that, which is what I like to do, right? That's the way I like to do it there. And so premiere's great. It allows people to wait and join a waiting list, but you don't have to do that all the time. If you've got a lot of content, it might make your channel look a bit busy. And so this is where you schedule it, right? This is really, really straightforward. Put the date in, put the time, and then you put schedule, and that will go up. Now, very quickly, before you go, I've got one thing that I want to really share with you. I'm really excited about this. Look, clearly you're interested in growing a YouTube channel, growing a business, making some money online, right? Now, I've written a book about that, and my business has generated tens of millions of pounds in sales. I've helped people like Liam Ryan go from 0 to £1 million in sales in just 6 months. I've taken lots of people to 10 figures, sorry, not 10 figures, £10,000 in sales in a month, £25,000 in a month, and leave jobs behind and really run their business efficiently. And so I want to help you with that, and I want to give you a free gift to get that. And I want to give you a copy of my new book, Expert Mastery, brand new. And this book teaches you my business accelerator methodology. It's crazy. And it will teach you not only how to use YouTube, but then how to get leads from YouTube or Instagram, Facebook, wherever, and then turn them into people that buy something from you. That's what you need, is cold hard cash, right? And so to get a free copy, if you click in the description, there's a link in there where you can grab the copy. You pay the shipping, I pay for the book. That's fair enough, right? And grab that copy of Expert Mastery today. Before you go, This channel has so much content. You just saw I've uploaded that new thumbnail video on YouTube. That's going to be a good one for you, right? So go and check out my playlist on that. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe and hit the bell notification. That will let you know when new content comes out. Every single day we make new content on growing and marketing a business. So this is the channel for you. That's it from me. I'm James Nicholson. Comment below, let me know who you are, and like it, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.